video gets started, I just wanted to thank everybody who purchased something in this merch drop and helped support us and literally make what we're doing right now possible, because this is fun, and if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be having so much fun. So thank you guys for helping support and make sure that everything we do on the channel stays happening. Anyways, today we're back at Shannonville. We were at Shannonville yesterday. If you guys haven't seen that, yesterday was like my best day. It was actually my second day, so obviously it was like my best day. But like, I was killing it yesterday on the skid pad. So I was really fired up and I was like, today I'm gonna get on the track, because we were here both Saturday and Sunday this weekend. I was like, I'm gonna get on the track. And then this morning, it's pouring rain. And I can't decide if I made like a good choice or a bad choice. I upgraded my wristband, boys. I can go on the big boy track now. I'm thinking like maybe the rain is a good first time to get on the track. It'll give me like if I spin out a lot, it's because it's raining type vibe, but also could be harder to be on the track the first time ever because it's raining. There is less people there. This place was emptying this morning. A lot of people stay here overnight because they do like Saturday, Sunday, and then they leave. And when we pulled up this morning, people were just funneling out of here. Like, they do not want to be here during the rain. I got a new set of tires on the back of the Genesis. It started pouring rain halfway through, so now I'm hiding in my truck. But yeah, today we're over in like the actual parking spots, not on the grass where I always say we are, because like you can't really change tires on the grass. So this is like, yeah, there's like pavement chunks here for everybody. We got like the best pavement chunk, but there's like pavement for everybody. So Chris and Tim are still out. They don't know if they're gonna upgrade and come on the track with me or not, but they already went out and hit the skid pad while I was changing tires, just to get a feel for their car, see how it's doing. It's still pretty early. We got lots of time, not a big line on the skid pad. I think I'm gonna hit the skid pad quickly and just get a feel for like the rain before I make a fool of myself out on the big boy track. And then I'm excited to get on the big boy track. It's getting steamy in here. Giggity, 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 boys, let's go racing! Alright, unfortunately, I gotta ride my windows down because they're tinted and I can't see anything. I'm basically just gonna try and treat this one like, just gentle. Have fun, be gentle, you know? or just instantly slide out. It's a lot more just feathering it. I'm so... Damn it, that was so close. Oh, we flooded it. When I went through that puddle, I flooded it.
Flooded what?
The car, it just shut off.
The filter's draining out.
Oh, nice.
So just give it a second.
I totally forgot I changed that filter spot.
Yeah, I know. I just thought about that.
I just was sending it because I forgot.
think it was the last puddle.
Yeah.
Like just coming home.
Well, I forgot it was there, so I just sent it. Did it look good though?
Did you use your tire?
Maybe. There's just probably water in there. We'll see what happens.
I'm wondering if we should pull the spark plugs and then try and turn it over and see if there's
and let all the water come out?
Let me get Tim over here. We'll just tow you back.
Okay.
Strap.
What a dumbass. I literally flooded the car right away. I forgot I put that filter there. That's like just me being dumb. Like there's a huge puddle there. Oops, sorry. There's a huge puddle on exit, and instead of just avoiding it like a regular person,
you wanted a cool photo.
I wanted a cool photo, so I drove right through the puddle, and I totally forgot that my intake is now like right there above the ground. Dumbass.
Hi!
Hey! You.
I don't know what's supposed to happen.
Looks pretty good. Like nothing's coming out, so.
Oh yeah, all the water is supposed to go out of there, so either it's not even cranking over.
What do the plugs look like?
They look fine.
Are they wet?
No.
Oh, they're dry? Oh, you're probably fine then. Oh.
Well, it didn't spray water everywhere, so that means that we probably could have cranked it a couple more times and it would have gone.
Maybe, yeah.
We just gave up early because we wanted to be safe.
I literally walked over, dude, and the filter was like Niagara Falls, like coming out of it. And I was
That's like not good.
And then like it looked like it died, right?
Yeah.
So I was like, like, yeah, just kill it, let her drain out of whatever's in the intake.
Okay, I got all this. Back assemble these. Just start, man. Please. Nice. Oh, make it through. Make it through, baby. Get rid of that water. Get rid of it. Make it through. All right, well, Robbie, no more being a dumbass. Oh yeah, there you can see it's coming out, dude. Damn, all that is literally just water. Like, that's all just like humidity coming out. Damn. You a smoky boy. 1 hour, 1 output change later. We put the bumper on the Genesis, which is something I probably should have done the whole time. Toss this guy on. Hopefully that'll protect a little bit more like water from hitting that air intake. I fired it up. I've been revving it. Everything seems to be good. All the water is cleared out. Thankfully, that was my bad. But now we already had they already had the lunch break because that took us a little while. But dude, this is like working out perfect. So everybody's been telling me that's here. They're like, yo, this is your best day to get some seat time out on the track and like actually learn it. Because no matter what, on my first day, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna be gentle, I'm gonna be slow, and I'm gonna try and figure out the track. But now I'm just not inconveniencing anybody because everybody's leaving. Like all these guys, there's like 3 cars right here that are leaving. Yesterday, people started parking over there with us because there was no room over this parking lot. And today, like, it's pretty cleared out, dude. There's like not, I'd say 70% of people are left. Or sorry, 70% of people have left. Tim went back out on the skid pad. Chris is gonna come with me for some rips on the track. This is it, buddy.
Let's go.
All right, buddy. This one, I just want to feel the track out.
Yeah, okay. You want me to still vid?
Yeah, you can video it. But like, I don't know anything about this track, so we're just gonna get a feel for it here. So like, that's a nice drifty corner. Okay. Nice straight.
I think Tim might want to get on this track after coming around here.
Dude, this is
not
sick.
as scary as it looks from the stand.
No, this is a sick track actually. And then you just come around here.
Yeah.
And you just straight away.
Definitely don't feel pressured right now.
I'm not feeling pressured. I'm gonna let them by.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. This is a good spot.
See, I'm not good at doing that yet. Like, he's just cruising, you know? Oh, here we go! Woo!
Good, it's all good.
I might have done some damage on that one, buddy. We hit that really hard. We hit that like little red thing.
We're alright, we're alright. Are you allowed to get out?
I think so.
You're clear after the Z.
That was so funny.
You did the right thing. Because like, remember last time we watched guys like blow their tires and stuff?
I feel like something broke.
Oh, maybe.
Sure. Does my car look bad? Did I hurt it?
You need a wash job.
Cool. If that's all I need, we're happy.
No, but check it out in the paddock.
Yeah, I will.
Went over the turtles, okay?
I will.
And then out you go again.
Okay.
Have
Okay,
fun.
thank you.
You're the best, thanks.
I don't even care that happened. Part of the game is going off the track. It just sucks because today is muddy, so everything is now muddy. But dude, I thought for sure my rim hit that turtle. I thought for sure. No, the turtles, that's what they're calling the thing. I thought for sure my rim hit the turtle and it was gonna be hooped. But yo, that's not bad. We didn't send it too many times. Like, I'm just trying to feel out the track and where all the turns even are so I can know what's coming and what to do. But like, for the couple that we did get sideways, dude, it's a whole different feel than being out on the skid pad. In the skid pad, I couldn't do second gear, and out there, dude, my second gear I topped.
Yeah, you were topping it. And
It's
it
crazy.
was comfortable.
Yeah. Like, there was one part where we were going sideways, you were saying something. Every time he speaks when we're driving, I don't know what you're saying. Because I'm just so focused on
I'm
like...
just stoked, buddy. I was just like, yo, you're killing it.
Yeah, it's fun. It's super fun. So they have a little hose section over here, which is good. I need to rinse the car off and then get all the mud out of this wheel so I'm not flinging it. The guy told me that I had one of the marshals told me I had the cleanest car here until now. So we got to make it the cleanest car here again. See, like, I could have rocked that this way and then back, but I just don't know how, you know? I'm not there yet. fast that time. I'm gonna try doing like a couple laps and then coming off and then going back out, doing a couple laps, coming off, just to kind of get like a really good feel for it. Because I feel like once you're out there, you get like excited, pumped, and then like a little bit cocky even. So I just want to like take quick breathers in between each one. But it's funny because yesterday I felt like the man, dude. Yesterday I was like, yo, I'm killing this. Like, I'm drifting so well today. This is so good. And then out here I feel like an absolute nerd. Because like, it's like I keep saying, I'm out here right now today to like learn the track and stuff. But like, you don't know what I don't know what the next turn is comfortably yet. And a lot of these turns, like, I'm just getting a feel for like how I would even drift them. So I'm just doing like little skids and then nothing, then little skids and then nothing. I don't know. It's funny. I just feel like an absolute nerd. Even Courtney was like, that wasn't as scary as I thought it was gonna be. I'm like, duh. I'm not really doing it. Like, these guys are going ham.
I think that's like what makes it scary for me is I'm watching them and I'm like, wow.
Yeah, well, they're good.
Yeah.
But that is where like the real learning happens. And I'm fired up about it. So what's cool is it's kind of drying up, but that also makes it a little bit sketchy because some spots will be dry, some spots will be wet. So I'm interested to see how this one pans out here. I didn't even need to do that. See, like that's third gear. Wow. And like now it's slipping a little bit. Before I would never have even imagined. Not enough beans.
Getting a little sticky, eh?
Yeah, not enough beans. What the fuck is going on here? Yeah, fuck, man, it's grippy.
You got new tires too, right?
Yeah, I got, oh, they're really aired out too. I totally forgot. Oh, close. I was closer. I must be going through what a lot of other people are going through too, because I'm going back out on the skid pad real quick, and there's a bunch of people that have been on the track also hitting the skid pad, like going back and forth. So we must all be in the same boat of trying to figure stuff out and kind of like hopping in between. But I'm going on the skid pad to kind of get my confidence back up, and now that it's dry, just to like get a nice reminder feel for the dryness of the track. But I think what me and Tim were saying makes a lot of sense. Like, what I'm doing is I'm coming in at the top of second gear, which I'm not thinking about, right? I'm just driving by sound. I'm not like looking down, so that's my fault. But I'm coming in at the top of second, and then when I dump the clutch, it doesn't do anything because I was already at the top of that gear. So I'm just dumping the clutch and it's launching. So I almost have to go faster than I'm a little bit comfortable going and do like a third gear drift in some of those corners. Maybe that'll help, I don't know. I'm gonna go have some fun on the skid pad because the skid pad is just easy fun. Yeah, so second gear is good for wide stuff. First gear is good for anything technical. Like this would be good in first gear. Not quite on that one. Close.
Oh, that's good.
That's good. Alright, so I'll try this one in third because that's seeming to be where the issue has been. And we'll see what happens here. No, not enough beans at all.
What are you in?
I'm in third right there.
That was third gear?
That was third, and it just hooks and goes because third's too high, but second is not enough sauce. You know what I mean? Like that's second. It's just, yeah, it's just launching.
That's not bad, dude. You got the grip, yeah, buddy.
There we go.
Yo,
So then I gotta hook it to this one and do the same thing here.
Yeah. So, you're getting a good feel though.
I'm getting a way better feel of the track.
Yeah. No, it's good. I can see your confidence level right now. It's pretty good. Yo, get on the straight though, eh?
Yeah, it goes pretty good. Yeah, and then I needed to shift, but I didn't do it because I slid in my seat.
That's okay, you're getting a good feel. That's it though.
No, not enough. That's it, but it's not enough.
Yeah, but that's good though. Progress, man.
All right, buddy. We're getting somewhere. I don't know where the fuck we're getting, but we're getting somewhere.
No, you're making progress.
We're making progress. It's just different to see because over there, your progress is continuous. Okay, you did a full donut. Okay, now you did a full donut, and then you linked it to that donut. But over here, it's like your progress is like in one spot, another spot, another spot, and one day the whole track will be.
Dude, once you lock that one corner that I feel like you're most comfortable with.
Yeah, the first, not the entry bend, but the first two corners.
I feel like you're gonna like unlock the track.
Probably.
Like you'll be like, okay.
Yeah. I think what it is that first one's really sharp, but I have to go in faster. Yeah. And I'm just not comfortable going in as fast as I have to go in to keep it.
Yeah, I think.
Because I'm doing it in second, but by the time I go around, I'm not, even if I shift, I can't go fast enough to maintain the whole thing.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I don't know.
I definitely need to buy some actual tie-down straps because this right now is like the worst. I have like the 30-foot straps because I don't know why, but that's what I bought. And then you gotta wind them all up. It takes way too long. So we didn't even realize when we went out there that like we were basically done. Like we got off the track and it was like 5 o'clock. We were done. We had to call it a day. But what was good was that last run, I was doing pretty good actually, like for what I think. I was like kind of getting a better feel for it, which is nice because like the whole day I kind of felt off. So it's really cool to end the day on like a note of feeling like I'm learning something, feeling like I'm actually not doing terrible. And we took a cool photo, which I think like the idea of the photo is really cool, but if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys don't get to see the photo. Today was like a whirlwind of emotions and I still don't know how I feel about today. I'm happy. I think today was good. It was successful. I feel like I learned a lot and I'm getting better every time we go out there, which is the whole point. I'm pretty excited we were on the big boy track. I think that like right near the end I started doing good, which makes me feel good. And I'm excited to just basically keep coming. All you gotta do is just keep going and keep learning and keep like getting a better feel for it and trying to get better. So anyways, that's all I got for you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us get a little bit better, hopefully, at driving. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and stay committed.